In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this JAMB economics problems under theory of demand. So we are going to focus on subtopic determinants of demand. We are going to practice with about 18 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Let's get started. The first question here says a movement along the same demand curve is caused by Y price of the product, test of the consumer, income of the consumer, price of other products. The right answer is option A, which is price of the product. Okay, the next question is this one. It says an excess demand for beans will result from we have an increase in the supply of beans, a decrease in the supply of beans, an increase in the price of beans, a decrease in the price of beans. Right answer is option D, a decrease in the price of beans. Next question is one. It says effective demand for a commodity is desire for the commodity backed by cash in one's pocket, a wish for the lowest possible price, a promise to make payment, ability and willingness to pay. So guys, the right answer to this question is option D, ability and willingness to pay. This question says which of the following matters may account for change in demand. We have changes in consumer preferences, changes in real income, changes in distribution of income, changes in levels of utilization. So all of them are inclusive. So option A that has all of them is the right answer. The next question is one. It says the inverse relationship between quantity demanded and the price of the commodity can be explained with utility. Okay, very important guys. The next question is this one. It says a commodity is described as inferior when income effect is negative, substitution effect is negative, income effect positive, substitution effect is positive. Next right answer is option A, when income effect is negative. Next question is this one. It says in the demand curve the relationship between price and quantity is what? Inverse guys. Take note of this question, option D. Next question, this one, it says a downward sloping demand curve means that price must be lower to sell more. Demand falls as output falls, demand falls as output increases, demand revenue declines as price is lower. The right answer is option A, price must be lower to sell more. So that's it for this question. Next question, this one, it says the demand curve for a normal good will shift to the left if advertising expenditure on complementary goods increase, the price of the goods rises, the price of complementary goods rises, the income of consumers rise. The right answer is option C, the price of complementary goods rises. Next question is this one. So guys, before I attempt this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more these videos. We really appreciate it. This question says the demand which gives rise to the reverse of the law of demand is abnormal demand, option D. Very important. Next question is this one. It says the quantity of commodity a consumer is willing and able to pay a particular time is called demand. Okay, option A. Next question is this one. It says in the analysis of utility theory, the basic of demand is we have fixed utility, diminishing utility, average utility, marginal utility. Right answer is option D, marginal utility. Next question is this one. It says a commodity is defined as normal when its demand changes in the same direction as we have income, price, preference, test. The right answer is option A, income. Okay, the same direction as income, option A. Right, next question is one. Says if two commodities are unrelated, a change in the price of one will have no effect on the quantity demanded of the other, decrease the quantity demanded on the other, have effect on the quantity demanded on the other, increase the quantity demanded on the other. So the right answer is that if two commodities are unrelated, a change in the price of one will have no effect on the quantity demanded of the other. Next question is this one. The last one, it says for an inferior good, a decrease in real income leads to an inward shift of demand curve, an outward shift of demand curve, a lower load equilibrium price, a change in quantity demand. The right answer is option A, an inward shift of demand curve. So guys, this is basically category problems involving theory of demand. Look at subtopic determinants of demand for your JAMB economic practice. We have about 17 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Like, share, and comment on this video. May I review for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions and don't know what I've talked about in the video, feel free to request a comment section below. And be sure to give you a response. So ensure the part of the membership by clicking the join button, getting premium information, help you to assess next like a JAMB and other next down to be writing. Okay, having done this, click on the next button and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.